Opti-Blast Type II Urea is the most versatile plastic blasting media and has a Barcol hardness of 54 to 64. Barcol hardness is a test method used to test the hardness of non-metallic materials like polymers, resins, and composite materials. The instrument used in this test method presses a pointed indenter into the material at a specific pressure. The further the indenter goes into the material, the softer it is. The results are given on a scale from 0 to 100, with 0 being the softest and 100 being the hardest. Type II Urea, having a Barcol hardness rating of 54 to 64, makes it very useful for a wide range of stripping and cleaning applications, including for automobiles, trucks, marine vessels, and trailers. Opti-Blast Type II Urea is mil-spec approved MIL-P-85891A. The blast media provides exceptional results in the removal of anti-corrosion coatings, paint, oils, waxes, sealants, hydrocarbon deposits, and adhesives. Type II Urea plastic blast media is manufactured with the strictest quality control standards in the industry. It is proven safe and economical for the removal of paint, primer, and other protective surface coatings from a wide range of products. Type II Urea plastic blast media is a superior replacement for stripping and cleaning operations currently using chemical strippers, high-pressure blasting with harsh abrasives, or hand and mechanical sanding for coating removal. Type II Urea plastic blast media consists of soft, reusable plastic particles applied at low pressure, resulting in optimum performance for a variety of coating removal needs. Some of the benefits are efficiency, allowing for faster and more consistent stripping rates. Being non-hazardous eliminates volatile, toxic chemicals from work areas. The preciseness allows for versatile operator control and application. Surface integrity provides optimum substrate protection without pitting or erosion. Being a multi-use abrasive means it can be recycled for multiple uses. Economically, it reduces the cost of manpower, material, and waste disposal, increasing productivity. Its versatility means it can be used in a wide range of unlimited applications.